Chalo, sir. Chalo. So again, very good evening to all of you guys. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. I hope I'm audible, visible, everyone. I'm properly audible as well as visible to each and everyone. Just a quick yes or no. Just confirm this once, whether I'm properly audible as well as visible. Just a proper quick yes or no, whether I'm properly audible as well as visible to everyone. Chalo, sir. So again, I know today is one day late. Yet again, I had some issue in my family, so I couldn't take the mock analysis yesterday, which was I was supposed to do. So again, so that is the reason for this week. The maths analysis is coming one day later than it was supposed to. One day later than it is supposed to. So the NTPC mock analysis is today instead of its usual date, that is yesterday on Tuesdays. So extremely sorry for that, first of all. But again, something unavoidable actually came up. ठीक है, चलो sir. First question. And again, I'll be there till the end. Now, area of a rectangular floor of breadth 8 meters is root 3 times of the area of a triangular floor of side 24 meters each. Each means it's a equilateral triangle. Each of the sides are of the same. Now what, so area, they have given you something. Let's see this. So triangular area, it's a equilateral triangle, 24 meter. So area will be say root 3 by 4 into a square. That is 24 into 24. Right? Now area is, the area of the rectangle is root 3 times of this. So that means area of the rectangle is this. Now breadth of the rectangle is 8. So length will be what, sir? So length will be, sir, area divided by the breadth, that is 8. Done. Let's calculate, sir. 8 threes are this, 4 6 are this. So 6 threes are 18 into root 3 means 3, sir. That is 54 centimeters. 54 meters, I should say, not centimeters. 54 meters, not centimeters, right? Now, what we need? Perimeter of the rectangular floor. Sir, I know length, I know like this width. Sir, perimeter will be 2 into L plus B, 54 plus 8. 54 plus 8 means how much, sir? 62. 62 into 2, sir, 124, sir. 124, that is option number D, sir. First answer to your question for option number D, that is this. Option number D, that is this, sir. Very simple question. Very simple, sir. Right? So again, the answer will be, sir, option number D. Next one, sir. 200 is divisible by a positive remainder. Acha, good question. The remainder is 8. 200 is divided by a positive integer x. So this is 200. Whenever I am dividing this by x, I am getting a remainder of 8. So that means whatever is the quotient, this number has to be 192. Because 192, if I take, then only I can get this 8 as remainder. Then only I can get this 8 as remainder. Arghamita, good evening. Good evening, Arghamita. Long time no see. Long time no see. Right? Good evening, Arghamita. Chalo, sir. Now, how many values of x are there? How many values of x are there? Let's see, sir. Now, please understand, sir. So, remainder is 8 and this is 192. Now, that means positive integer 200 is divided by 1, like this x. The x, so the number, this number must be 192. They are asking how many like positive values or how many values I have for this x so that I can get this 8 and I get this 192 here. So please understand one logic. Please try to understand one very simple logic here. Sir, if I put any factor of 192, if I put any factor of 192 in place of this x, That should do my job with one certain condition. What condition, sir? The condition is, sir, whatever happens, this factor, any factor of 192 that is greater than 8, sir. Because remainder, the number has to be greater than always the remainder. Otherwise, I like this thing will go on. The remainder cannot be 8 in that case. The remainder cannot be 8 in that case. अरे Argamita, no worry. I didn't know worries. I was just joking. I was just joking with you. Don't worry. ठीक है? अरे no worries. So that means, please understand this. You see, you could have got we can do this actually manually as well. We can do this manually, like you figure out all like which numbers like you are dividing and you are getting 192 here, 8 here. But again, understand the proper logic. Understand the proper logic, how you should think. Because if the number is greater than 200, then manually you will take the whole day. But still you won't get the answer. So that means I need to figure out how many factors of 192 we have that is greater than 8. So let's figure it out, sir. 192, sir, 192 how can I write? If I write 2, 192 means it will be 96. 96, if I take 2, it will be 48. If I take 2, it will be 24. If I write 2, it will be 12. If I write 2, it will be 6. If I write 2, it will be 3. Done. So it means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 to the power 6 into 3. That is the prime factorization of 192. Prime factorization of 192, sir. Now, what I'll do? So total number of factors. Total number of factors will be, sir, 7 into 2, sir. Right? 6 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. So that is 14. Out of these 14 factors, can anyone tell me how many factors will be less than 8? You see, that much we have to do manually. That much we must do manually, sir, because there is no other way. Sir, first, 1 is a factor which will be less than 8. 2 is a factor less than 8. 4 is a factor less than 8. 3 is a factor less than 8. 3 is like 2 into 3, 6 is a factor that is less than 8. Right. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else, sir? Anything else that you can get? Anything else that you guys can get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. रुक जाओ एक 6 भी आ गया 4 into 1 also we got अच्छा 1 into 1 we got 1 into 2 we got otherwise I have to break it down I have to write it down only 5 no then the options में मिल नहीं रहा 9 is not there in the options we are missing something चलो let me write it down 2 to the power 6 means the factors are 2 to the power 0 2 to the power 1 2 to the power 2 2 to the power 3 2 to the power 4 2 to the power 5 2 to the power 6 3 to the power 1 means the factors are 3 to the power 0 3 to the power 1 2 to the power 0 into 3 to the power 0 is 1 2 to the power 0 into 3 to the power 1 is 3 2 to the power 1 3 to the power 0 that is 2 this is 3 like 3 to 6 4 4 3 12 8 अच्छा 8 भी तो है सर अरे सर 8 ही तो 8 भी तो है देखो सर 8 is also there ना सर 2 cube because if it is 8 so 8 by 8 1 that is divisible हो जाएगा ना सर I have to take 8 yes 8 is also there so these 6 factors there are 6 factors which are what which are not greater than 8 you see I have not written it is greater than 8 it must be greater than 8 not greater than equal to greater than 8 so that means what will be my answer 14 it will be 14 total factors minus 6 factors the answer will be 8 sir the answer will be sir 8 option number C option number C right a very silly mistake we are doing very silly mistake we are doing everybody clear sir this is how to think properly on this question ठीक है सोल्यूशन क्या दिया? हाँ देखो, I told you ना, you see the solution is that manual method. No, this method will not, this method will not work. Please understand, this will not work if for bigger numbers. For bigger numbers, it will take your whole day to get this thing done. नहीं चलेगा. You have to understand, you have to understand the proper logic. ठीक है सर? You have to understand the proper logic. Next one, sir. Who is messaging me? Chalo, chalo, everyone. Next question. Next question. Next question. What is the difference? What is the difference between compound interest on 35,000, compound interest 12% for, arey yaar, 18%. Oh, they have given you some calculative questions this time. Simple interest 18% for 8 years. Total is, sir, this much percentage. Right, sir? This much percentage, sir. 18 into 8, sir. 18 into 8, sir. Everybody agrees with me? Everybody, sir. Everybody. So, compound interest, sir, 12% for 3 years. So, again, use AB theorem to figure it out. Value will be very bad. So, 2 at a time. So, 12% plus 12% plus 144. 12 into 12 by 100, sir. So, 24 plus 1.44. 25.44%. This is for 2 years. Then again another 12% for the third year. So 25.44 plus 12 plus 25.44 into 12 by 100. Options are also this close. Options are also this close. चलो क्या ही करें. 25 into 12. 25 into 12 is 300. Okay. 0.44 into 12. 0.44 into 12. This is 48 into 11. 48 into 11 means 4 and 8. 12, 1, 528. Okay. Meaning 5, like 5.28, right? So 325.28 by 100. So if you take this, so this will come here. This. So 37 and 3 said 40. 0.44 44002528. Guys are saying क्या कर रहे ये बंदा? Sir, 45 and 25 so 70, 69. This is the percentage. This is how much percentage you will get. 4928. I got 6928. 305.28. अरे यार, देखा यस रीना देखा. अरे पागल रे भाई. 305.28. So this is 0. So 33. This is the 40.44 and this 49 na 4925 you are getting 49 sorry 4928 4928. Okay. अच्छा ये तो हो गया सर. This is for compound interest. This is for compound interest. अच्छा सिंपल इंटरेस्ट का कितना था? Simple interest. How much was simple interest, sir? How much was simple interest? Sir, 18 into 8, 154, right? 154%. 154%. Correct? 154%. So the difference will be, sir, 154% and this percentage. So 114%. 114, not, I should not write it. 114% point 0.49. It is almost 0.52%. 49, so almost 5% ही ले लो sir. 49 to it ना. So let's take only 49. Okay, so it is 51%. This much of 35,000. This will be your answer. So 114. But again, ऐसा है ना, it is better not to take any approximation. Options are very, very close. Options are very, very actually close. Right? Options are very, very close. So let's take everything. So 154. So 114. 113 will be. ना? ऐसा क्वेश्चन देने का कोई मतलब नहीं बनता. Absolutely doesn't make any sense to give a question of this magnitude. 113.5172%. You see, na? This is you guys are getting 5072 actually. 5072%. Right? No, Argamita, Reena, you cannot do it actually like that. Why? Because you see the options are now very, very close. If you multiply with 35, now वो 0.1% भी matter करेगा sir. So do this calculation. Do this calculation. So 113.5%. ऐसे करोगे तो आएगा? I don't think so. I do not think so. देखो ना कितना आ रहा है. Please check ना how much you are getting. How much you are getting? अरे यार, ये क्वेश्चन देख के मैं ना पूरा पागल हो गया. ये whenever I saw this question ना, I have absolutely gone mad. देखा? मैं 118 into 8 में I have written this. क्या पागल भाई. अच्छा, तब तो बढ़िया है, तब तो easy बन गया सर. Actually, that makes the question much too simpler. The final calculation. I am extremely sorry. Extremely sorry. 144 minus 40.5. इसको if I just take it 40.5%. Let's see if this approximation works. Sir, 144 and 40.5. 41 means sir 103.5%. So just now do one thing. 35,000 का 3.5% निकाल लो. Just figure out 3.5%. Sir, 1% will be 350. 350 is 1%. So into 3% will be, sir, 35 threes are how much? 130, sorry, 105. 1050 rupees, and 5.5% will be half of this, 175. Right? So this will be, sir, plus 175. 1050, 1025 and 175, 1225. You see now it is not 35,000 plus 1,03622. Yes, this will be the answer. This is option C will be the answer. Option C will be the answer. Cannot see your comment, brother. Shiva, I cannot see what you are saying actually. Yes, Shiva, the mock test are having the explanations. The video explanations, if you want, I like that is not available, brother. Video explanations are not available. This is the next question. Okay, so option 3 was correct answer there. It was very, very calculative. Very, very calculative. Again, today I have to skip a few questions. I know. Because 6 baje se I'll again come back to here only with a very important announcement. Shiva, if you want to purchase, the links are there in the description. But again, the video solutions you will not get. But for the live mocks, every week we come, all the subjects, the faculties for all the subjects to give you the video solution. Okay. So and for all the previous live mocks as well, you will get the solutions, the recorded versions in our channel. Now, selling price of Y items same as cost price of this much. Sir, selling price of one item is SP. Sir, Y into SP. Selling price of Y items is equal to. Sir, cost price of each item is CP. I'm just assuming this into CP. This is given, sir. So figure out the value of CP. Let's figure out SP by CP. Calculation will be a little, it will look a little bit. SP by CP will be what, sir? Twice of by Y. Right, sir? यही तो दिया है, sir. Now, profit percentage is 40%. It means what, sir? It means SP by CP, can you say? Sir, CP is 100 rupees, SP is 140 rupees. Pillow calculation. 7, this is 5. So that means this is equal to profit percentage of 40. That means this is equal to, sir, 7 by 5. Sir, can anyone now can figure it out, sir? 5 2s are 10. So 10y minus 10 6 are 60. It is equal to 7y. So from there, sir, 3y is this, y is 20, sir. The value of y is 20, option number C. Option number, sir, C. Yes, Reena, Arghamita, you guys are absolutely correct. You guys are absolutely correct. Option number C is the answer. Done, sir? Oh, सब कुछ, every question of quant only, na? Sir, sec and cosec, they are kind of giving, saying, they use what? Use the complementary angle. So if sec is equal to cosec, that means this is complementary. Sum is 90 degree. Always remember. That means the sum is equal to, sir, 90 degree. So 10x is equal to, this will go that side. That is 120 degree. X is 12 degrees, sir. Done. Tan 5x. 5 12 is 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is root 3, sir. Done. Option number 3. Option number 3. Very, very, very simple, right? Not a very difficult question. Not a very difficult question. Next one, sir. Not ours. ये हमारा है, sir. अच्छा, this week's questions are good. Apart from couple of questions, they have given you some very good questions. This also is a good question. Sir, if you don't see this, if you cannot recognize this, this will become this can turn out to be a very difficult question. So please understand, if you can recognize it, 2y square is 4y square. You see 2y, that whole square is this. And if you look at this, sir, 2xy, you might feel, sir, it is 2xy. No, sir. Actually, x is x, y is 2y here. So it's better now for your protection, A, B, and C you take. You take x as A, 2y as B, 5z as C for your understanding. And if you are someone who is willing or who is comfortable by not taking A, B, and C, do it without taking. It will save you time. But again, if you are someone who is having some problem of understanding, recognizing, in that case, you take A, B, C. That will be better. So I'm just taking, I'm doing it for everybody. So A plus B plus C is 7. This is A square plus B square plus C square is 5 square 25. They are asking you, see, this is A into B, this is B into C, plus this is C into A. That is the value they are asking. Sir, you from here just squared the whole thing, sir. This is A square plus B square plus C square plus twice into AB plus BC plus CA. That is equal to 7 square is 49. So this value we know. This value is how much, sir? This value is 25 given. So 25 will go that side. It will get subtracted. That is 49 minus 25. 24. 24, 2 gone, sir. The answer will be, sir, 12. This value will be, sir, 12. Think, do a couple of lines calculation in your brain. Done. Done, sir. Done. Simple question. Simple one, sir. Next one. Sir, let's see. Let's see, sir. Very simple. Comments फिर से आना बंद हो गया. पता नहीं क्या चल रहा है. Now, B is right angle. DB is 6. This is 6. DB is 6. DC is 12. DC is 12. Okay. AB is 14. AB is 14. अच्छा सर. तो ये राइट एंगल वाला चक्कर है सर. लेंथ ऑफ AC. AC they are asking. अच्छा, in that case we don't need properties. I was thinking property लगा देंगे 4 and 5 वाला जो है. 4 and 5, there is a very important property. If you don't know, please then do it. Otherwise, you don't need it. It is easier actually. Sir, you take this triangle, sir. Acha, rather. Sir, you take this triangle, sir. Sir, this is 6, this is 12. Sir, can you get BC? Sir, root over of 12 square minus 6 square. That is 36. That is, sir, root over of, sir, 108. Keep it. Now, I need this side. This side, if you take the whole thing now. This one side, you know 14. This side, I know root 108. This side will be what, sir? Root over of 14 square, 196. Plus this is 108. Square of this is 108. Sir, 196 plus 100, 296 plus this, sir, 304. अरे बाप रे. Options में 19 तो है. अच्छा, चलो. If I take 4 common, 4 तो जाना ही चाहिए. 4 तो ये बचेगा सर 4 7s are 28, 476. Yes, again a 4 will go. So it will be root over of 16 times 19, 304. 16 के लिए sir I can get 4 out, root 19. That will be the answer. That will be the answer. 4 root 19. 4 root 19, sir. Let's see. Option C. Option C, sir. Option C, sir. Again, a very quick thing. I've told this, like today I might need to miss a few questions, okay? So again, कुछ भी doubts है तो पूछ लो. Like if you guys have you want me to solve any particular question. Because again, I'll only come back. So please wait for me. I'll just come back with a few tips and tricks. 15-minute session. Sir, a shopkeeper has 200 kg of rice, out of which 40% are of type A and remaining are of type B. Customer buys 30%, 40% of type A and B. Acha, sir. Let's do one thing. 200 kg rice. Type A का क्या है, sir? 40%. 40 into 2, like 4 2s are 8. So 80 kg type A rice. And type B, how much, sir? Sir, remaining. So that is, sir, 120 kg. Total 200. 30% of type A rice. 30% gone. Means, sir, how much he has bought? 3 8s are 24 kg. And 40% of this 4 12s are 48. This much he has bought. Achha. What is the total quantity of rice left? Sir, how much he has bought? Sir, 48 and 24, sir, 72. So total 200 kg was there. 72 kg he has bought. So how much remaining, sir? How much remaining, sir? 128 kgs. That's the answer. How much remaining? 128 kgs. That is your answers. As simple as it gets. As simple as it gets. Right, sir? Very simple. Next one, next one, next one. A simplification question. I'm skipping, huh? This is very, very simple. I guess everybody can solve this. Very simple question. Everything is in power of 2s and 3s. So you can like convert and solve. So this question, if you algebra question, sir, this question, sir, this is given, sir, to the power 4, I need to go to the power 1. That means two steps. 4, then I can get to 2. From 2, I can get to 1. So 2 steps I have to take. I cannot go, like I cannot jump directly. So to the power 4 to the power 2, how can I go from there? Sir, always. How to come opposite? Add 2 to this and take square root. 223 plus 2, 225. Take square root, sir, that is 15. Sir, how to get to this? Sir, add 2, sir, take square root. Sir, root 17. Positive one only. Sir, option number B. Done. Option number B, sir, done. Again, I'm not getting any answers. Why? What happened? Answers का क्या हो गया? अच्छा, अभी आया. कमेंट आना बंद हो गया. Comments were not coming. चलो. So this is gone. Sir, very, very, very simple question. A car running 7 by 11 of his usual speed reaches his destination in this hours. Sir, this is speed. So speed ratio, initial or other initial, why am I writing? Sir, usual, actual. Sir, usual is 11 kilometer per hour. He is going at 7 by 11 of that. That means 7 kilometer per hour. So ratio is 11 by 7. This is speed ratio. So time ratio is always opposite to speed ratio, sir. So that means 7 ratio 11. Now, how much time he is taking, sir? Actual, he is going at this speed, taking 11 like units of time. That is given as 22. That is given as 22. That means every unit is equal to 2. Multiply by 2. Now they are like saying how much less time will it take? Sir, if like the less time will be, sir, 4 units. 7 hours meaning, sir, 4 units it will take less. Every unit is 2. 4 into 2, 8 hours it will take less. B is the answer. B is the answer, sir. B is your correct answer. Done, sir. Done, done, done. Very simple question. Very, very, very simple. Very simple one. चला गया क्वेश्चन. एक क्वेश्चन चला गया, सर. Below table shows the number of students who play 2 different sports from 5 colleges. Number of students who play cricket from college V. Okay, cricket from college V is 28. And are together 40. That is totally, sir, 68. Number of students who hockey from S and U. Hockey from S and U. That is 28. 68 is how much percentage more or less than S and U approximately than a 28. So it is 40 more than what, sir? Than 28. So that is the answer. So 2, 4 से करो 410, 47. So 1000 by 7. Sir, 1 by 7, 14 point something होता है, sir. one like 14.28. So it will be 14.28 means 142.8%. यही तो होना चाहिए सर. अच्छा एक सेकंड, मैंने गलत कुछ नहीं किया ना? अरे यार गलत तो किया. 18 plus 8 I have written 28. छागल. The whole thing is wrong. The whole thing is wrong. Sir, how much more, sir? 42 more, na? 42 by 26. It is 13. This is how much? This is how much, sir? This is how much? 21. Sir, 2100 by 13. 1 by 13 7 होता है, 7.69. ठीक है, चलो वैसे करके कोई फायदा नहीं है. 1300 तो 100% हो गया, right? So 1300 means it is 800 by 13. 800 divided by 13 remaining. 6 13s are 78, 20, 61 point something. 61 point something. 161 point something will be the answer. You see, na? 161 point something will be the answer. 162. 162, sir. Option number B. Option number B is the correct answer. डन 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 डन. ये भी तो हमारा नहीं है सर. हमने छोड़ दिया क्या? विराट कोहली, पता नहीं. टाइम एंड वर्क. टाइम एंड वर्क सर. चलो. Jitu, Kiran and Anu alone can work 30, 15, 18. Jitu alone started the work. After 8 days he left. Anu and Kiran together. अच्छा, then wage वाला work and wages का question है. Again थोड़ा lengthy होगा. Work and wage तो थोड़ा lengthy होता है सर. No worries, no worries. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Lengthy है तो करेंगे. Sir, total work LCM. Total work LCM of these three. 15, 18. 15 and 18. 30 है ना सर? So 60 नहीं जाएगा, 90 में चला जाएगा, right sir? So 90 units. So their efficiency of G2 will be what, sir? G2 90 units in 30 days. So G2 is 3 units every day. Sir, Kiran 15 days 90 units. So Kiran does, what is the efficiency, sir? 6 units every day. So then Anu sir, 90 units 18 days. So 5 units every day. G2 started alone. After 8 days, this line means for the first 8 days, G2 worked alone. So G2 has worked for 8 days. G2 has done 3 8s are 24 units of work completed. Then G2 left. How much work is remaining, sir? 9 out of 90 units, 24 done. How much remaining, sir? 94 minus 20. 90 minus 20 is, sir, 70, then minus 4, sir. 66 units left. Now these 66 units of remaining work, who will do, sir? Anu and Kiran. Anu and Kiran, they will do it. Anu and Kiran, they will do the remaining work. And they now complete, they do 6 units and 5 units. So 6 units and 5 units they do. So they will do in their ratios. So Kiran will do 6 units, Anu will do 5 units. So how much time will they take, sir? Total they do 11 units. Total they do 11 units. Now again, you don't even need this actually. What happens? So the ratio of their work will be, sir, 6:5. And they will do this 66 units. They will do. So Anu and Kiran, they will complete this as they are working for the same amount of time. So they will break this down in this ratio 6 and 5. So 6 plus 5, 11 units is 66, 1 unit is 6. So like Kiran will do 6 or 36 units and he will do 6 5s or 30 units. So this much work they have done. And wage is always paid. Wage is always paid on the basis of work done. जिसने जितना ज्यादा काम किया उसको उतना ज्यादा पैसा मिलेगा. Whoever has worked much, like more, he will get paid more. So this is exactly the ratio at which they will get paid. 6 fours are this, 6 6 are this, 6 5s are this. So the wage will be distributed in this ratio 4 6 5. Now they are asking wage of Kiran, total wage is given 3200. Total wage is 15 units. 15 units ka value is the 3200 rupees. They are asking Kiran. Kiran means the value of 6 units. 3200 by 15 into 6. So 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are this, 5, this is 64, 640. So 1280 rupees. Done. Option number D. Option number D. Arghamit, actually you don't need. You see, we don't need how many days they will take. We need how much work they individually will do. How much work they will do individually. Right? Done, sir. यही तो था. यही तो था, सर. चलो जल्दी से चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. सर, वो बार ग्राफ क्वेश्चन, इजी क्वेश्चन, आई एम लिविंग. सर अगेन this one, sir, AB theorem का basic question है, sir. This is a very basic question of AB theorem. Let's do it. Do this very quickly. 12 and 5%. अच्छा सर, डिस्काउंट है तो A plus B minus AB होता है, सर. 12 plus 7 minus 12 into 5 by 100. So this is 17 minus 0.6. Because 60 by 100, huh? So 16.4%. Now do this and this. Do this and this. 16.4 plus, you see, they are asking you कि भाई चलो भाई calculate करो. The paper में बहुत सारा calculation दे के रखा है. 16, this is 38.59 minus, let's see, वो भी करना ही पड़ेगा. Options दो है. So 225, you see, I'm doing it. 164, 100 ये था and दो hundreds. Why? Because I've get rid of this, got rid of this. Sir, 25 nines are this, 25 fours are this, 4 41s are this. Sir, for 38.9 minus 41 into 9, 410 minus this, or rather 360 plus this 9, 369, 3.69. So 3, if you get to 35 point something, there is only one option. Option A. Take second, yes. Option A is the correct answer. There is only one option satisfying that. That is your answer. That is your answer, sir. Clear, everyone? Everybody clear, sir? Everybody, sir, clear? Simple question. Simple one, sir. Moving on. Chalo, sir. Partnership, good question, this one. This is a good quality question, actually. ABC partnership, investment ratio, time ratio also given. Sir, investment ratio 3, 4, 6. Time ratio 3, 2, 1. Sir, that means profit sharing ratio is the compound ratio of these two. Profit sharing ratio is multiplication compound ratio. 3 3s are 9, 4 2s are 8, 6 1s are 6. Now the profit will be shared in this. Total profit is this. They're asking B. So total profits are 9 plus 8, 17 plus 6, 23. So according to the question, 23 units is 22080. They're asking value of 8 units. So it will be by 23 into 8, sir. Baapre, 3. So the answer will be only possible is A. Now you'll say how? How, sir? Yes. You see, 8 almost, this is 3 times, almost. 8 threes are 24. So, and again, you divide by this 3, 7,000 is 21,000, more than 7,000. So, why 7,005, 7,600 ke aaspas? I've checked the options, only possible answer is this. So, that's your answer. That is your answer without doing the calculation. ठीक है sir? Next one. एक तो करते हैं सर, अदरवाइज विल से एक भी डीआई नहीं किया. Two different schools, line graph, annual function. चलो. Total participants in 2009 from school A is what, approximately what percentage of total participants 2006 from school B. School A total participants in 2009. School A is blue line. Blue line 2009. Blue line 2009 is this, right? This is 650, and you see every gap, one gap, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 gaps is 50, 600 to 650. So every gap is 10. So this is one less than 650. That means this is 640. This is this values. 2009 school A. 2006 school B. 2006 school B is this. That is 800, sir. Very good value. They are saying this 640 is what percent of 840? Like 800, sir. Don't, no need to calculate. 80% hota hai, sir. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64 if you see. If you see 8 8s are 64. So you see, you don't need to actually calculate. You do not actually need to calculate. 80% will be your answer. Clear, sir? Not less. Reena, you see, made, they are not asking how much more or less. They are asking what percentage. That much only. That much only. Sir, ये तो बहुत simple. I'm not doing it. 3 years, 5%. So just interest. Total 15%. Amount will be, sir, 115% of that. 115% of that. ठीक है? Skipping this question. Very simple. Let's do this one. Geometry question is, sir. WXY WXY. W is 92 degrees, okay? Y is 51. XY such that P is a point on XY, okay? XPW, acha. This is 90 degree. XWP पूछा है. XWP, this angle they are asking. This angle they are asking. Have I made the diagram correct, na? XPW. XPW is 90. XWP. अच्छा सर, ये तो बहुत simple है सर. This is 92 degree. This is 51 degree. Anybody can say this angle. This is how much, sir? 180 minus 92 and 51. Sir, this is 143. 143 means 37 degrees. This angle. So this angle, again, you take this small triangle. You take this small triangle, sir. This is 90. This is already 37. So this will be what, sir? This two must be 90, sir. So the answer will be 90 minus 37. Right, sir? So this will be 53 degrees. 53 degrees, option number B. Option number B, sir. Yes, Argamita, Dina, yes, you guys are 100% correct. 100% correct, you guys are. 53 degree is the correct answer. This one's, chalo, let's make this our last question of the day. Okay. Again, few questions will be remaining. So again, if you have any doubts, please let me know. I'll give you the solution in the next class. कल परसों भी तो आएंगे, so I'll give you the solution there. ठीक है? I'll be coming back in like 5 minutes with a new session. Actually, I want to discuss that. That session is planned. That was actually planned for tomorrow. Yesterday. But again, I couldn't take the session. That is why the problem today. That was completely on me. 10% of x, that means x by 10. That is equal to y, sir. This is given. Y percent of 10. Again, sir, we know A percent of B is equal to B percent of A. So meaning I can change this. Y percent of 10 means 10% of Y, meaning sir Y by 10 ही होता है sir. That is Z percent of X, ZX by 100, like 100. Right sir? एक काम करो ना sir. Y instead of Y na sir, you write X by 10. X by 10, if I write X by 10 and 10 means 100. ZX by 100. 100 gone, 100 gone, this concept. Z is 1. Z is 1 sir. Z is 1. Z 1 आ गया. इतना बढ़िया. चलो ठीक है सर. Z तो 1 आ गया. एक सेकेंड रुक जाओ. चलो ठीक है. Z is 1 means this whole thing becomes 2x by 10 plus 10 square is 100 minus 2y. अरे ये तो बहुत ही बढ़िया. x by 10 का वैल्यू फिर से आप y बैठा दो. सो इट इज 2y plus 100 minus 2y. अरे तो बहुत सिंपल. सो आंसर इज 100 सर. आंसर इज 100 सर. ऑप्शन डी. आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज 100. ये तो आई थॉट दिस विल बी अ गुड क्वेश्चन. तो बहुत ही सिंपल निकला. ओके सर. सो दिस इज वेयर I am ending the session for the day. Again, extremely sorry. Actually, this was my fault. I couldn't take the class yesterday. But again, that was something that was completely unavoidable. थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया. But again, क्या कर सकते. वही तो problem है. Again, I can only say sorry to you guys. But again, these things happen. So again, we have done something, we've learned something. So again, thank you so much everyone for joining. Not many actually questions left because most of the questions like for today were in the first part of this. So again, so only 2-3 questions are left. So if you have, please solve those. If you have any doubts, please feel free to get in touch with me. Ask me, like I'll come tomorrow, come day after tomorrow. Every day I'll come for the session. So any problem you might have, please feel free to ask. I'll take some extra time to get those like done. Okay? So again, thank you so much everyone for joining. I'll again see you guys tomorrow at the same time of 5 o'clock. Till then, please take care and bye-bye. Thank you so much.